You've waited 3 years, but was it worth it? The iPad mini is back with the 7th generation, but let's be real, did Apple knock it out of the park, or are we left wishing for more? I know I am. Today, we're diving into the ins and outs of the iPad mini 7, or as Apple is calling it, the A17 Pro model. And yes, before you ask, there are some surprises in store. By the end of this video, you'll know if this cute little device is a must-buy or if it's better to wait. Let's get into it. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're loving the tech reviews. Introducing the Enquiries X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Enquiries, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at snowtechnologyuk.co. Let's back to our video. Alright, so let's start with the elephant in the room. It's been 3 years since the last iPad mini dropped, and like many of you, I had my hopes up for a big, splashy update, like, wow, this is going to blow my mind kind of upgrade. But as usual, Apple kept it subtle. Still, there are some sweet features that make this iPad mini 7 worth checking out. Spoiler, it's not just about the AI stuff, so buckle up. First up, the design. I know, if you were hoping for a massive redesign, you might be disappointed. It's still rocking that 2021 look, but here's the thing, I'm not mad at it. Apple rarely does a total makeover, and when they do, it usually sticks around for 5 to 6 years. So we're only 3 years in, and honestly, it still looks fresh. The colors, though, chef's kiss. We've got some pastel vibes inspired by last year's iPhone 15 models. My personal favorite, the Starlight. It's sleek, neutral, and goes with everything, but whether you pick space gray, blue, or purple, you're winning. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to color? Now, the display, if you were hoping for a promotion 120Hz display, well, sorry to burst that bubble, we're still at 60 Hz, which matches the latest iPad Air models, so I wasn't expecting much there. What I was hoping for, though, was a brightness boost. 500 nits is still the max, which can be a little meh if you're trying to use it outside. That said, it's still a crisp 8.4-inch Retina display with that gorgeous color accuracy we've come to expect from Apple. Oh, and they finally fixed that jelly scroll issue from the 6th gen, so yay for smoother scrolling. Alright, here's where things get cool. The iPad mini 7 now supports the Apple Pencil Pro. If you love doodling, note-taking, or just losing your pencil, raise his hand. This is a game changer. The Pencil Pro has awesome features like pressure sensitivity, a toggle menu, and Find My integration, which, if you're anything like me, is a lifesaver for those moments when your pencil just poofs into thin air. If you're on a budget, though, the new USB-C pencil is a solid alternative for those who don't need all the fancy extras. And now, the star of the show, the A17 Pro chip. This is last year's iPhone 15 Pro chip, minus a GPU core, which makes it a serious powerhouse. Whether you're doing some casual gaming, handling creative projects, or diving into Apple's new AI tools like Photo Cleanup and Scribble to Siri, which is like typing to Siri but with a pen, and honestly, it's pretty cool. This chip can handle it all. The 8GB of RAM is also a big deal, doubling what we got with the last gen, so yeah, it's fast, but here's the catch. I really wish they'd gone with the newer A18 chip from the iPhone 16 models for better efficiency and battery life. Imagine how much longer we could have used this thing with a more efficient chip, but hey, it's still a beast. Finally, Apple listened to us. The base storage has doubled from 64 to 128 gigabytes, which is fantastic. I mean, 64 gigabytes in 2024? Who's that for? So, whether you're storing media, apps, or those giant creative projects, 128 gigabytes is the new sweet spot. And if you need more, you can go all the way up to 512 gigabytes. But honestly, I think 256 gigabytes is that perfect middle ground. Okay, I wasn't expecting much from the cameras, and well, I was right. Same 12 megapixel shooters on the front and back, but they did tweak the True Tone flash, which makes scanning documents a breeze. And here's a fun surprise. Final Cut Pro is supported on this tiny powerhouse. Imagine editing videos on something you can literally fit in your pocket. For anyone wanting to dive into video editing without lugging around a MacBook, this is pretty awesome. So, is the iPad mini 7 a game changer? I'd say it's a solid, reliable update, perfect for those looking to get their first mini or anyone who's excited about Apple's AI push. But if you're coming from the 6th gen and you're not too fussed about AI or extra power, maybe wait another couple of years for the next big leap. What do you think? Are you excited about the A17 Pro chip and Apple Pencil Pro support? Or are you holding out for something bigger? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an Apple update. Thanks for watching. I'm Noah, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.